Students, let's start our next topic, mathematical functions in Java. Mathematical functions. So, Java language provides some mathematical functions for a simple mathematical operation. And these functions are known as what? Mathematical function. So all these mathematical functions are available under the class math. And math class is a part of a package known as java.lng. So you all are knowing collection of classes are known as what? Package. So math class is a part of a package java.lng. And java.lng is a default package available under the Java. So how can we use? The syntax is math dot function name. Dot is a operator. Dot is what? It's a operator. So math dot function name under bracket what? Argument. Argument means pass the value. Value is known as what? Argument. So rule in math, M is always with a capital letter because in the Java every class name is start with a capital letter. So math is also a class, that's why it starts with a capital letter. Always remember. First function is sqrt, is used to find out the square root of a positive number. We can't find the square root of the negative number because square root of a negative number is an imaginary value. Square root returns the double data type. Always learn the return type of the mathematical function rule. Math dot name of the function. So function name is what? Sqrt. And write the argument means pass the value that you want to find out. For example, math.sqrt of 81, it will return 9.0. Why? Because double data type represents the decimal number. And in Java, the decimal number rule is what? One digit before the decimal and one digit after the decimal. If any number is not there after the decimal, then write what? 0. If you are writing 9, then it's wrong. Why? Because math.sqrt always returns the double data type. Next thing is, we can convert, for example, here is written a mathematical function, the square root of a. How can we write in the Java? We can write in the Java math dot sqrt of a. If it is written math.sqrt of a plus sqrt of a plus b, how can you write in Java math dot sqrt of a plus math dot sqrt of a plus b, and after that you put semicolon, because in the Java every statement is terminated with a semicolon. Semicolon is known as a statement terminator. Statement terminator. So all the mathematical functions are helpful to find out the different mathematical operation, also used to write a valid Java expression. In Java we can't write the symbol. We can represent it only with the help of mathematical function. Next function is math.min. It returns the smallest number between any two arguments. Means math.min function takes only two arguments, argument 1 and argument 2. We can't pass more than 2 argument in mat.min. It returns the value according to the argument. So return type depends upon the data type. For example, mat.min of 6, 20. So minimum value is what? 6. So it returns 6. You are passing here the integer data type. So it returns also the integer data type. Example 2, mat.min of 1.5, minus 1.5. So here you are passing the double data type. So it will also return a double data type. So minimum between 1.5 and minus 1.5, minimum is minus 1.5. So it return minus 1.5. So again revise, mat.sqrt is used to find out the square root of a number. Return type of mat.sqrt is what? Double data type. Mat.min, it returns the smallest number between any two arguments, and return type depends upon the argument of the data type. If argument is integer, then it returns integer. If argument is double, it returns double. If argument is long, it returns long. If argument is float, it returns float. Function is mat.max. So it returns the greatest number between any two argument. Means it also takes the two argument. It returns the value according to the argument. So if argument is integer, it returns integer. If argument is float, it returns float. If argument is double, it returns the double rule. Mat.max argument 1, argument 2. Here is an example, mat.max 6, 20. So it will return 20. So it takes argument as an integer. So it returns also, it will return integer. Here is what? It takes the argument as a double data type. So it will give the maximum between these two is what? 1.5. So it will return also a double data type. So what is the difference between mat.max or mat.min? Mat.max returns the greatest value between any two number, and mat.min returns the smallest number between any two number. Argument return type depends upon the data type of the argument. Next function is what? Power function. So this function is used to find the power of a numeric value. It returns the double data type. So return type of function is what? Double data type. Rule: mat.pow argument base, power. For example, if you want to find out 2 to the power n, how? So base is what? Base is 2 and power is what? Power is n. How can you write in Java? So you can write with the help of function mat.pow function, POW. It takes two argument, always give base, power. If it is written like this, 2 to the power a plus b. How can you write in the Java? Math.pow. Base is what? 2, power is what? A plus b. So you write a plus b in bracket. Then close the bracket of a function this. So here is what? 2, 3. 2, 3 means 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means 8. So it returns it will return 8.0. 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it will return 8.0, because return type of power function is always a double data type. So always remember, how can we write the mathematical expression in Java? Function is ABS function. It gives the absolute value of any number. So this function returns the absolute value of a numeric data type by ignoring its sign. Return type of mat.abs function depends upon the argument. If argument is integer, it will return integer. If argument is float, it will return float. If argument is double, it will return double. If argument is long, it will return long data type. Rule math.abs and it takes one argument. Example here first, math.abs of minus 73. So it will ignore sign. Which sign it will ignore? Negative sign. So it will return what? 73. Next is mat.abs of minus 25.5. Then it will ignore the sign. Which sign? Negative sign it will ignore and it will return what? 25.5. So it will give the absolute value of a number. Here in the maths, if it is written mod of A, so how can we write in Java? So mod function is always replaced by the function math.abs. So we can write math.abs of what? A. If it is written mod of A plus B, how can we write in Java? Math.abs of A plus B. If it is written mat.a plus mat.b, how can we write in Java? We can write mat.abs of A plus mat.abs of B. So always remember the mod function in Java is replaced by the mathematical function mat.abs. So let's revise all the function. Mat.sqrt is used to find out the square root of a positive number. Return type of mat.sqrt is what? Double data type. Next function is mat.max. It gives the maximum number between the two arguments. Return type depends upon the data type of argument. Mat.min. It gives the smallest number between the two arguments. Return type depends upon the data type of argument. Mat.pow. It is used to find out the power of any number. It takes two arguments. Mat.pow base, comma, power. Return type of power function is what? Double. Next function is mat.abs is used to find out the absolute value of any number. It gives the absolute number by ignoring the sign. Return type depends upon the argument of a data type.